push, and again, if you come at this from a Republican perspective, I did Joe Biden's to get him up. Donald Trump's leading here. He's leading here. He's leading here. Here. We expect him to win here. That's his. This one's interesting. We expect him to get this. And these normally would be Trump states out here.
Alaska.
And Alaska. So, again, we're open to being surprised. But if it plays out in a traditional map, that's where we're going to be. That's where we'll be as we go to the West Coast, somewhere in that ballpark. This is not an exact science, but somewhere in that ballpark, looking at Pennsylvania, Michigan, Wisconsin, and maybe Iowa, and the one more congressional district there. That's the way the map looks right now.